Hi guys, it's Kirby. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are doing March empties. I don't have that many this month. This is what we're looking at for March empties. More than February, that's for sure. I haven't been uploading regularly because we had the flu and then we are getting ready to go on vacation. So it's just been like a crazy month for us. But I wanted to get this video up and done because, again, the years of my low buy, and I say years because it is taking me years to clear out and clear through some of my beauty products, hair products, skincare products. As a overconsumer, I am now trying to use up some of the things that I have. It's a low buy though because I do still indulge in certain new purchases and I replenish certain things that are like my tried and true favorites, but we are trying to cut down on impulse purchases, if you will, and we are trying to cut down on sale purchases that we don't need. So anyways, here we go. We have hair care and skincare today, so we are just going to dive into the hair care. The Kiss Temptations Raspberry Prism. Chef's Kiss. I will always repurchase this color. It is amazing. I have a dedicated video to this specific shade, but I do believe that it is just amazing. It is vibrant. It mixes well with other colors. It is fantastic. I love the Red by Kiss Temptations Raspberry Prism T450. Honestly, it is so unbelievably beautiful for a like bright berry shade. It is unbelievably pink, right? It's like neon pink, but like a berry neon pink. I don't know how to describe it. It also washes out very, very lovely into like a nice light pink shade as well. So again, Chef's Kiss, cannot recommend this shade enough. A detangling product that I originally purchased for my daughter but ended up really liking for myself as well is this Earth Supplied Textured Hair Care Hair Slip Conditioning Detangler Strength and Length. It says no silicones, sulfates, parabens, or mineral oil, Jamaican black castor oil, and bamboo. I again originally got this because my daughter has like hair texture like mine, but it is very, very curly. And it knots so easily. She gets so many tangles and so many knots, and it is so difficult to get through all of those knots and tangles. So anything that offers or advertises as a conditioning detangler, I am like on it because her hair doesn't like coconut. So we can't get anything with like coconut oil because it makes it like stringy and gross and greasy. But her hair needs like so much moisture, even though it's so fine. It's like crazy to me. So I found this, I think, years ago in Walmart, and at first I really did not like it because it was almost a little too heavy, but as she's matured and as her hair has needed different things and as my hair has gotten more damaged, using this on extremely wet hair, like I'm talking like straight out of the shower type of wet hair, just a couple mists will do you for like very fine hair like I have. And she has, and this is the best detangler I have ever used in my whole entire life. It is amazing. It also kind of smells like baby powder. Like it has a very like powdery scent to it, not like off-putting, but it is very like powdery, which I mean I don't necessarily mind. I also think that something about the Jamaican black castor oil and bamboo really helped to grow her hair, because my daughter's hair this last year that we've been using this, because I did let it sit in the cupboard for a while, but this past year I've used it, her hair grew like a weed, and then I like chopped it off, and then we've been using this till the very end, and it's grown back so quickly. The unfortunate part is that now when I tried to look up Earth Supplied, this specific hair slip conditioning detangler. I cannot find this specific one. They now have one that's like a coconut one, and I don't want that one. I want this one. So if anybody knows where I can get the Earth Supplied Hair Slip Conditioning Detangler Strength and Length Jamaican Castor Oil and Bamboo Detangler, please let me know down in the comment section below, because I loved this for my daughter's hair, for my own hair. It was really, really great. It honestly, once I figured out kind of how to use it on our hair, it didn't weigh it down at all. It was amazing. I love this product, so if anybody can figure out where this length and strength one is, or strength and length one is, please let me know. Another curly product is from Curls, the Sea Moss Collection, Moisture Magnet Sea Moss Curl Cream. It boasts lock and seal in moisture with this vitamin and mineral curl cream while conditioning and sculpting textured tresses, soft/no hold. And that is important because I use this more as a detangling agent rather than like a curl cream for my daughter. And again, what I really liked about this one is that it locked in the moisture, like it says. It locked in all of the nutrients that her hair needed, and it detangled, which was really, really great. And so it left her hair being able to be managed throughout the week, not just on wash days, which was really, really nice. And it provided the moisture she needed without coconut. This has soybean oil, sea moss, red algae, jojoba oil, and aloe. So again, really, really like this. Used it more as like a detangler, leave-in conditioner rather than a curl cream. I do have a couple of the other products in the Sea Moss collection, and I'm not as big of a fan of those as I am this one. Will I be repurchasing this one? Probably not, only because I found other products that work for us a little bit better. But yeah, the Curls line in general has a lot of great products. I personally, for my hair, not for my daughter's hair, love their Poppin' Pineapple line. Ugh, amazing. I love that leave-in conditioner, and it smells so good. But yeah. Moving on to skincare, this one has a lot of, well, a couple minis in it, because when you get samples, you try them, and that's how it goes. First up is the e.l.f. Holy Hydration Daily Moisturizer. I have talked about this on my channel before. I've talked about the e.l.f. Holy Hydration line in general. This is just a really good daily moisturizer. It's unbelievably affordable. It performs just as well, if not better, than some of the higher end drugstore products out there, like the L'Oreal's and things like that. This is the Holy Hydration line, I think, is more along the lines of the Neutrogena, what is it, the blue ones, the hydration line of Neutrogena. But again, if you're looking for a nice, creamy daily moisturizer, the daily moisturizer from e.l.f. Holy Hydration, it's like $8. You get, what, 2.53 ounces. It's a really great purchase. Hero ingredients: hyaluronic acid, jojoba oil, or jojoba seed oil, grapeseed oil, bilberry extract. Again, vegan, cruelty-free. I just really, really like it. If I'm out of any of like my high-end moisturizers, or I'm looking for like a moisturizer in between trying things, the e.l.f. Holy Hydration is always going to be one that I go to. I personally like their night cream, but that's one hard to find in stores. You have to like buy it from their website. This one you can find at a lot of retailers. A moisturizer that I tried that I was not impressed with was the Youth to the People Superfood Air Whip Moisture Cream. This stung my skin. And it wasn't just like stinging around my eyes, it's like my forehead and my cheeks. I don't know what it was, but this just did not jive with me. I got it as a birthday gift from Ulta last year in like the deluxe sample, so I was able to try this for like a good few weeks. A little bit goes a long way, but it also had this like jelly cream texture to it, and I have just discovered that I like cream moisturizers. I like thick, creamy moisturizers. I don't want gel moisturizers. I don't want gel cream moisturizers. I need something like thick that's gonna like suffocate my skin almost. And this just wasn't it. I don't know what products are in here because this is just like the deluxe moisture. It doesn't have the ingredients. That's on the box that I threw away. But it just was like, it stung my skin and I did not care for it. It also did not really leave me feeling as moisturized as I needed to be. Another moisturizer that I wasn't necessarily enamored with for my face, but my arms really liked it, was the Pharmacy Ultra Hydrating Ceramide Moisturizer. This one has honey in it, and I don't know if that had something to do with it or there was a different ingredient. It made my eyes really puffy, and so I pretty much stopped using it on my face immediately, and instead I used it on my elbows and my arms. I really love the texture of this product, and it moisturized my elbows because they get really dry and gross and scaly in the winter with wearing like cardigans and stuff. So I really love the texture of this product and how it moisturized, but I don't know if it was the honey or certain ingredients in it that made my eyes puff up. So I would just be careful if you have sensitive skin or allergies. Maybe go in and ask for a sample in Sephora or wherever pharmacy is sold first before you just like dive in, because pharmacy can be kind of expensive, so just take that into consideration. Also, if you don't like the smell of honey, you are not going to like this product because it smells just like a jar of honey. I like that smell, but you might not like that smell. Again, I just can't use this on my face. I did love it for my like body and my arms, but unfortunately my face just couldn't handle it. And I don't know why. Oh, I had such high hopes for the Korean sunscreen, right? Everybody knows I love my Black Girl Sunscreen OG30. That is the standard of facial sunscreen for me. It does not break me out. It sits well under makeup. It is my tried and true. Everybody kept raving about Korean sunscreen, and so I was like, you know what? Let me dive into Korean sunscreen. I too want to be a Korean sunscreen girly. And I couldn't. Like, I have a few and I do not like them for my face. I ended up trying this for my face for a couple weeks, and I do not feel like it, one, protected me from the sun, or two, did anything for my skin. So I ended up just using it on my arms for like when I'm driving in this like springtime transition where like it's 70 in the afternoon but like 30 in the morning. Yeah, this is from Round Lab. I can't read anything because this is all in Korean, so let me Google image search this. This is the Round Lab Birch Moisturizing Sunscreen, SPF 50+, PA+++++. Again, it's just not my favorite. I can't even find this tube online. It only says it is the Round Lab Birch Moisturizing Sun Stick. This is not a stick. This is like a tube. So I'm not entirely sure, but yeah, it just wasn't for me. It didn't do much for my skin. It didn't do much for protecting me from the sun, I don't think, honestly. And comparing it to my like tried and true Black Girl Sunscreen OG30, I just wasn't impressed. It also wasn't a very thick formula. Not that sunscreens need to be a thick formula, but like I just said, I really need moisturizers to be like thick and creamy and like feel like a moisturizer. This was very thin and kind of liquidy, and it did not feel like it was moisturizing my skin. It just kind of felt like it was there. So cannot recommend the Round Lab sunscreens. Sorry. I also know that there was all kinds of like controversy recently about some Korean sunscreens, so maybe I just got caught up in that controversy, like I bought the sunscreens at the wrong time. I'm not quite sure. I can only follow so much beauty news and understand so much of it, so maybe that is the situation. If you know anything about that and can educate me a little bit, please leave a comment down in this comment section below. But yeah, cannot recommend the Round Lab sunscreen, Birch Moisturizing Sunscreen. Moving on to a cleanser. This is from Drunk Elephant. It is the Mellow Marula Cream Cleanser. Again, just a little bitty one. I got it from Ulta. It says 1% colloidal oatmeal marula oil. This was okay. It was a very creamy cleanser. It did not leave my face feeling like super squeaky clean, and it was kind of difficult to kind of lather up at first, but it was okay. I used it more as like a second cleanse. I would cleanse my skin with like my makeup remover cleanser, and then I would use this because this was really, really gentle. It wasn't a bad experience. I particularly didn't like the smell of it. It smelled like one of their conditioners that I got from BoxyCharm, the one with the green stripe. I'll put it up here if I can remember what it was or if I can find it. But yeah, like it wasn't anything that I like, nothing stood out to me that I would want to go and purchase this full size, if that makes sense. And again, you think that you wouldn't be able to have a lot of face washes in this little tube, but I had it in my shower for a good couple weeks or few weeks that I would be able to tell if there were any significant benefits from it. Also because I have 2 of these, and I couldn't really write anything home about it. The Drunk Elephant Mellow Marula Cream Cleanser. Calm and balance. It is very gentle, so if you have extremely sensitive skin, maybe this would be something for you, but I need something that's a little bit more on the like non-gentle side of things. I need it to like clean and feel a little squeaky clean, if that makes sense. Last but not least is the Essence Hello Good Stuff Bi-Phase Oil Serum, smoothing and calming with peach water and peptides. Yes, a million times yes, this is amazing. Not only does it smell amazing like peaches, but it is so unbelievably lightweight and moisturizing for your skin. If I had any type of flare-up or like activity on my skin that needed just like a break, I would put this on at night and my face would wake up so soft, so moisturized. It is so affordable as well. These Essence Hello Good Stuff bottles, capsules, essences, toners, whatever they are, like primers, they are amazing and I love it. It is a biphase, so it has like a top and a bottom and you shake it up. I already have a new bottle of this in my cabinet. It's not something that I necessarily will use every day, but it is something that I will use again if I may be trying new skincare or if I see that my face is a little bit breaking out or disturbed or dry. I'll put like this on at the very end of the night, right before I'm about to go to sleep after I've done all of my skincare. And so this is just mwah, chef's kiss amazing. I absolutely love the Essence Hello Good Stuff Bi-Phase Oil Serum. It does wonders for my skin. And again, with it being affordable, like if you're just getting into skincare or you're just getting into trying to take care of your skin or maybe using different primers for certain things, the Essence Hello Good Stuff line, fantastic to start with because it's affordable and you won't feel like you're wasting a whole bunch of your money while you're just kind of like learning and experimenting with what your face does and doesn't like. So yeah, again, highly recommend. Alright, so that was the products for my March empties. I will link them down in the description box below, so if you want to check them out on your own time, you can absolutely do that. Do you guys have any empties from your March that you would recommend or maybe that you wouldn't recommend? Let me know down in the comment section below. I love a good recommendation or a good like don't waste your money on this moment. So let me know all of that down in the description box or in the comment section below. I will link them in the description box. Let me know if you've tried any of these products and what your experience is in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big old thumbs up. As always, please be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell. I would hate for you to miss out on any more videos. Thanks so much for watching, guys.